Welcome to Concept Craft. We are presenting step-by-step videos training to crack your certification exam, so you can gain the confidence to take on any accounting challenge. Now let's begin our today's lesson. Managing the products and services list. Learning outcomes. In this lesson, we'll cover managing the products and services list in QuickBooks Online. Topics: product and service types, the products and services center, creating and using product categories, setting up products and services to sell and/or purchase, products and services settings, save time with automation. The products and services list in QuickBooks Online contains the details of the items and services that a client sells to their customers. As clients add new products/services or discontinue them, they'll need to keep their products and services list up to date. This can be a challenge for clients, especially those with larger businesses. How can you and QuickBooks Online help? QuickBooks Online gives you and your client the tools to manage the products and services list and keep it in good shape. Helping your clients understand how products and services work in QuickBooks Online is a vital part of helping them to get the most out of their accounting software. If you can get your clients into good habits managing their products and services list, it'll be easier for everyone in the long run, including you. To get the most from this lesson, we recommend that you complete the one on the chart of accounts and the products and services first. Product and service types. You or your client must select the appropriate item type when adding an item to QuickBooks Online. Here's a quick recap of the available item types. Inventory, available in QuickBooks Online Plus and Advanced only. These are items that are bought and sold, and whose quantities on hand are tracked. Your clients must subscribe to QuickBooks Online Plus or Advanced to use this feature. Non-inventory. These are items that are bought and sold, and whose quantities on hand are not tracked. Your clients may use this item type for small parts used in the installation or delivery of a product. Service. These are services that are provided to your client's customers. They can be one-time, recurring, or fixed-fee services. Bundle. This is a collection of products and services that are sold together. For example, a package that includes an exterior door and a security lock, or a product installation that includes both labor and materials. The Products and Services Center. The Products and Services list can be found in the Products and Services Center in QuickBooks Online. To open the Products and Services Center, select Sales from the left-hand navigation, then Products and Services. Select each of the highlighted areas to find out more. Selecting more allows clients to manage their product categories and add new ones. You'll discover more about product categories later in the lesson. Run the product/service list report. Selecting new allows clients to set up a new product/service item. To see how to do this, go to the lesson on the chart of accounts and products and services. The down arrow to the right takes clients to the Import Data tool, where they can import an existing products and services list. The importing procedure is covered in the Importing Products and Services, Customers and Vendors lesson. The low/out-of-stock summary is only available to clients with inventory enabled in QuickBooks Online Plus or Advanced. This visual snapshot shows how many inventory type items are at low or zero stock numbers. Selecting either badge allows clients to filter the products and services list to only show items at the associated stock level. Use the filter icon or search bar to look for specific items by keyword or show hide items by criteria such as type and category. Clients can also use the filter to show product and service items that they've made inactive. The Products and Services list grid lists all the product and service items that the client sells and/or provides. Items are listed in rows, and the columns give detailed information about each item. In this example, cabinets has been set up as a product category in QuickBooks Online. Product categories are explained later in the lesson. The Action column allows you or your client to edit the item details. Make it inactive, for example, if the client has stopped selling/providing the item. Make a duplicate copy of it. Run a report on the item. For inventory items, clients can also adjust the item quantity and the item starting value. To learn more about using inventory in QuickBooks Online, look at the lesson on setting up inventory products. Creating and using product categories. Product categories in QuickBooks Online allow your clients to group items of the same type. For instance, if your client has a retail business selling hiking gear, they may want to create product categories for items such as hiking boots, backpacks, and tents. Categories help you and your client easily find products or services. They are also very useful when running sales and inventory reports, as they make it easy to compare and explore data by product category. Select each question to reveal more about creating and using product categories. How do you create a product category? You and your clients can create a new product category before adding new products/services to QuickBooks Online. To do this, select More, followed by Manage Categories. Then select New Category. Give the category a suitable name and select Save. The new category will now appear in the categories list. Can you add subcategories to a category? If your client wants to be more specific with grouping items, they can also create subcategories. Note that you can only add a subcategory via the More Manage Categories New Categories method, not when setting up a new product/service item. To create a subcategory, select the As a Subcategory checkbox in the Category Information panel. This will make a second drop-down appear, from which clients can assign the subcategory to an existing category. The subcategory appears in the categories list, as you can see here. Note that you can only have up to 4 category layers, including the parent. How do you assign a product/service item to a category? Once you've set up a product category, you can assign a product/service item to it when you're adding the item in QuickBooks Online. You can also assign an existing product/service item to a product category. To do this, select Edit from the Action column in the Products and Services Center. Either way, in the Product/Service Information panel, select the appropriate category from the category dropdown. Note: if you choose a subcategory here, it will appear in the category name field as Category Name, Subcategory Name. For example, Vehicle Inspections, Oil Inspections. Can you create a product category when you add a new product/service? Yes, you or your client can also create a new product category when setting up a new product/service. Note that you can only create a new product category when you add a new non-inventory, service, or inventory item, not a bundle. Start by setting up a new product/service, as described in the lesson on the chart of accounts and the products and services list. When you get to the category field, open the drop-down and select Add New. Give the category a suitable name and select Save. Continue to add the remaining item details, then select Save and Close. The item will be listed under the new product category in the Products and Services list. Pro Advisor Tip: follow the link for more information on grouping products and services into different categories. Setting up products and services to sell and/or purchase. Now let's look at another aspect of setting up products/services where your clients may need extra guidance. In the Product/Service Information panel, clients have the option to tell QuickBooks Online whether they sell this product/service to their customers, purchase this product/service from a vendor, available in QuickBooks Online Plus and Advanced only. Select the headings to reveal what additional detail the client needs to enter for each option. Sell the product/service. Purchase the product/service. Sell the product/service. Clients who select this option need to fill in the following details about the item. A description of the item that will appear on sales forms such as invoices. The sales price/rate for the item. Which account in the chart of accounts will be credited when the client generates an invoice for this item. The sales tax rate for the item. What do clients need to be aware of when setting the sales tax rate? For clients who use sales tax in QuickBooks Online calculates the sales tax using the standard rate by default. With this setting, when clients add a new taxable product/service, sales tax is calculated based on the seller's, that is, the client's, location. Clients can change the sales tax rate to a custom rate, or tell QuickBooks Online that the item is non-taxable, if applicable. You can dive deeper into how sales tax works in QuickBooks Online by exploring the lessons on basic sales tax setup and advanced sales tax activities. Products and Services Settings. QuickBooks Online allows you or your clients to customize certain product and service features, such as whether to include product/service information on sales forms, invoices, estimates, and sales receipts, and whether to turn on inventory tracking. To customize the fields and columns on sales forms, select the gear icon and then Account and Settings. Select Sales from the left menu and scroll to the Products and Services section. Select each highlighted area to find out more about the setting options. The Show Product/Service column on Sales Forms option must be selected if the client wants to use product/service items on sales forms. Deselecting this option limits clients to adding only descriptions to each line item of a sales form, and uses the default product or service item defined by QuickBooks Online. Select the Show SKU column option to add a column on sales and purchase forms to track SKU, stock keeping unit, numbers. Select the Turn on Price Rules option to enable the Price Rules feature, only available in QuickBooks Online Plus and Advanced. Enabling this feature allows clients to create special pricing for different types of customers and products/services. The Track Quantity and Price/Rate option adds the quantity and rate columns to sales and purchase forms. Select the Track Inventory Quantity on Hand option to turn on the inventory tracking feature, only available in QuickBooks Online Plus and Advanced. To find out more about using inventory in QuickBooks Online, have a look at the lesson on setting up inventory products. Summing up. Learning outcomes. Well done. In this lesson, we covered managing the products and services list in QuickBooks Online. Knowledge recap. The Products and Services Center in QuickBooks Online enables clients to gather and analyze valuable data on the products they sell and the services they provide. You can now help clients manage and configure their products and services list so they can work smarter. Next steps. Next up, we'll look at managing customer and vendor lists in QuickBooks Online.